The family don't worry, kunza kana wangu wallings man. Bale kodo ndavarita, avaboda kuti grita. Siana na woti wone kono shika. Na wari nino pika. The family bora inifane kakaka. Ambeno nangwa makandi maka. Asichando ziva na wandi nataka. Kaya, anamba vachikrata. Me bada than bed.
Thank you so much for joining a special edition of the Earground, The Plot Thickens series. Tonight is going to be an exciting program. Tonight is going to be very interesting. Yeah. Papa Lodza has just joined us now, and welcome, Papa Lodza. Thank you so much for joining the program. And yeah, have a go. Your background, ZimDancehall or dancehall in Zimbabwe. I'm good, man.
Cool. Yeah, go ahead there, Plot, man. What are the questions?
Yes, so my first question to you is, where did dancehall start, or ZimDancehall start? If you can explain the first and then the second in Zimbabwe.
Okay, you're breaking up. I'm in a network. I'm going to start again. So come again.
Okay. My question was, where did ZimDancehall start? When did dancehall start? If you could explain maybe the two. You were part of the first generation, and then you were part of also the second generation, but now as a record label owner. So if you could take us from your understanding on the development of ZimDancehall or dancehall in Zimbabwe.
Okay, my network is bad. Let me move.
Okay, but I can hear you well. I don't know if you can hear me well.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. With the ZimDancehall, it's hard to say when it started. You know, they start from somewhere, you know, and then they are just one of the refine one later. So I would say in this original ZimDancehall, it wasn't even one later, you know, like the likes of Tobias Ariketa, and then Transit made it big, how could they go down? You know, like that's, I mean, the word ZimDancehall, I think for all define, but I think ZimDancehall in Zimbabwe, and I think that's you have to differentiate dancehall in Zimbabwe and ZimDancehall. You know, ZimDancehall is a term. There was a Shanta 2000 and something. I mean, you know, we gotta give them that. Shanta, but kuna culture tea, kuna yapi. I mean, I saw after I thought like, no, that I tell you what I do, even I chant out. You know, just like in Jamaica, with the Anabujo, after Anaburo Bando, my elders, my chief, and Charlie Chaplin version. You know, but the dancehall became different. My chant later, I mean, the band would develop. I think it's a question of terms, the Shandy's part. But it's in that I definitely, you know that. Kuna na daddy rage, but I think now, you know. I mean, even when we started that recording, the first recording was like in 1994. Count when she like studio they Shandy's. I don't know if you remember Intersound.
Intersound, yeah, Tony Adonis go you side. I remember. Yeah.
You know, like even I mean, we used to record music on that. Remember, when you used to store the music, the first dance we on the BadBwoy, like the BadBwoy special, we did like a rendition. I mean, we used that Daddy Ray, and you know, Daddy Ray was so good. I mean, I used to remember even one day, that's a Daddy Ray song. Everyone knows that, you know, because he used to perform that song. But I've had fortune about it, I saw. But that was like a Daddy Ray song, and when we said before that, I mean, in Inanga, Tera na Yapi, you know. With a culture tea, because culture tea buying about the microphone, that's what I like it. And,
but
I mean, that was dancehall in Zimbabwe.
But was it called ZimDancehall then? At what point did it become?
No. Because the next thing I said, when it was hard, you know, it was the music you had in Banje. The music you had some sort of chose, you know what I mean? You know, like when we went at first we used to conceal it, because like this kind of music was like in I did grade 7, 87, 89. But you know, which is Don Carlos, Charlie Chaplin, man, you know what I mean? And you'd have one that Chanda Marain. you know. But vanenge vachasezera nembanje you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I remember. I know what
That's
you
like dancehall in Zim, but let's not call it ZimDancehall. ZimDancehall is something, I mean, ZimDancehall, I mean, at first, you know, it was monotonous, I mean, when it started, like, you know, it's like the same beat, like, we are gathered a beat in Duragadzira, you know, it's the same beat. You know? But the dancehall, kutanga was dancehall in Zimbabwe. Credit. I mean, let's say, I give my liking of the dancehall in Zim, I give it to Dennis also, Nana Munya Brown. Right, it's about radio, you know, they would play one or two. So, because my recording, it wasn't as easy as it is now with my computer, you know. The recording studio, it was kind of zero, kuna intersound, kuna shared studios, but the price of shared studios, you couldn't touch it, you know what I mean? So, I should not develop a chain. But I think the my studio, this is the way it was, they got developed because of my computers. But, you know, it would be like 1 gig would be like, to store a song, so his computer is. I know you remember that.
Yeah, I remember.
Dancehall maybe naenda regress and naenda off, but let's. I mean, when you do your argument, is your Fantana right in his own way? Are right, you know.
So you are agreeing with Fantan? We are agreeing with what Fantan said?
I don't agree with him totally. That's all is Baba and Otamanan is. I'm win him to our Messera. Mafana, you know what I mean? To our Messera saying Bagatanga Zindat. No. That is Babaga. In any Bandiriga, Yapi and a couch at Yaga iterations, you know. Because it was hard. Yapi and diaries when what, come in, I'm in room. You remember my son?
Yeah, I remember.
93, 92. And then start time,
yeah, for start time. Yeah, man.
Start time, and
yeah, man.
You'd go to club, little club, that was 91, 92. You'd hear my special, and a sweet ebony, and a Silverstone, Vachivis and a blacking, and a Bernard. Yeah, and a general B. You know, when my specials have, and I must. So I told Shami Saguana, in especially when we did this, what was it like 94? I said, yeah, 90.
Pamara Baba.
No, that was like BadBwoy.
BadBwoy, yes.
And then we did Amazing album of first 98. But that was like music, you know. I tried my hand at it, but voice I'm gonna get down.
Okay.
That moment that's in Zimbabwe.
Yeah, I hear you. So, at what point would you say the statement by Fantan is true and false?
What I say, I think it was just a question of the terminology. I can't say right over because vakachipusha because vakatangata zvemaridhim zvezvi like the Zimbo flavor rhythm yawataura, you know. Yeah, it's zvakabatsira zvona luck spin zvezvi. I don't know who did the luck spin, but I think ana cheapers vese. I mean, in that new era ndo vacho, you know what I mean, like zvona red pakamwetika, you know, we used to listen kuna vanhu vanasana ana bini man, and then pakazouya zvana Monster Shark yanga itoriwo trend yakaya mudancehall yekuti ana Monster Shark achichi vamwe ana Elephant Men vakudai, so you know, it's, I think vakatoo redefine kana even Jamaican reggae yacho, you know, by coming out nevanhu vakadaro. Kwandiri yanga iri noise, but they came out, you know.
So it could be an issue of different names, because if I understand well, I remember with even the Jamaican dancehall, it was not called dancehall, like Jamaican dancehall then. It had different names, you know.
You know, there's people before Bob Marley. Marley did not invent that. But I can't say the next step. I think we'll move at the next step. Winky moves at the next step. Fantana move to the next step. You know, zvana Fantana vakagadzira studio, you know, gadzira music kuti ukaenda iko uchibva kuguruve unonomira uchizvikudzwa zvako zvinzwike. If you're really talented, vakomana vanokupusha uri kunzwa. All you need is talent, and then osvika pambari paika.
Yeah. Thanks a lot, Papa Lodza. It's really an honor to actually have you on the program. I mean, I'm a big fan. I grew up listening to you, and it's the link I salute, you know.
Something. It's 25 years in the business, you know. I mean, like as BadBwoy, but before Tagambo, I think I'm 91, but you know.
Yeah. Thanks a lot. If I